Summer's here. Lots of you guys are taking off for homeschooling for the year. Some of you guys are homeschooling through the summer with a lighter schedule. But have you ever thought about, what if you're doing it all wrong? Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and I have really been thinking, every summer I take either a little break. Once we've done our curriculum, we've checked off all the boxes, I get excited that we finished courses that we have when we do, and I start ordering things throughout the summer for our upcoming school year. I order new curriculum. I'm excited to move the kids up to the next level. I get new books. I make my classroom nice and fresh and organized and clean. And then we go through our summer, and then when that new homeschool year comes around, come August or September, I am so excited and ready to go. But my kids are not excited. My kids are not excited to start the new homeschool year. Why? Why are my kids so excited to end school for the summer? Why do they beg me for a summer break? What am I doing wrong? Am I doing anything wrong? What can I do differently? What can I do better? So I've been rethinking my entire homeschooling approach. Right now, we get curriculum for language arts, we get our history curriculum, we get a separate science curriculum, and we do our work. I have a checklist that goes up on the wall, and when the kids are done the specific subjects, they go in, they check off their thing. And when that checklist is complete, I feel good. I'm like, I'm accomplished. I did what I had to do for the day. They did what they had to do. They learned so much today, right? They learned how to add double-digit numbers. They learned the timeline of the American presidents. They learned this, they learned that. But when their father comes home from work and asks them, what did they learn today? They never recall. They can't remember anything that we've done all day. What if I did things differently? What if I slowed down? What if instead of purchasing a whole new math curriculum for my 5-year-old, instead we learned how to add, subtract, divide, fractions through hands-on games and activities? What if I just put the workbooks away completely? What if for language arts, instead of having her complete a whole curriculum, what if instead I read living books that explain what nouns and verbs are? What if we played around with poetry? What if we did more hands-on games and writing and reading and more hands-on things instead of the curriculum? What if instead of doing history books, having the kids read through their textbooks and then answer questions and then maybe doing a little project, what if we just read real stories about people all the time? What if we did big projects at the end of every unit? What if I didn't even follow a timeline, but I taught them any topic that they were interested in and really dove deep into those topics? Now I know a lot of you guys do this already. Some of you guys are unschoolers, and this is not exactly what I'm referring to, because I do still need the structure, and I believe children need structure. But what if I'm giving my kids too much structure? What if instead of science, we're having a science curriculum, we did experiments, we read more books, we watched videos. For history, we watched movies and went on field trips. What if we did this every single day? Would my kids then hate the sentence, it's time for school? Would instead, when I said, hey guys, it's time for school, everyone was excited? What if I didn't even say it was time for school, and we just came downstairs and started our time of learning and exploring the world together? This year, that is what I plan to do. I plan on letting the kids have more time to play, more time to be outside, more time to explore. We will still have guidelines, but we will be doing lots of hands-on activities, lots of games, lots of projects, lots of living books, reading together, lots of just exploring and field trips and friends, and just having a more relaxed homeschooling lifestyle. So this homeschool year, I am putting the curriculum up on a shelf. I'm not getting rid of it completely. We're gonna see how this year goes. We're gonna see how much learning my kids do. We're gonna see how, if I can get them to love learning and love our school time. I'm gonna see if we can just be out of the house a lot, be with friends a lot, and do field trips and do all these different kinds of fun things that makes life enjoyable and exciting. And I encourage you guys to do the same thing. Maybe not as dramatic as I'm doing it, but maybe set aside some more time to slow down and see how the day unfolds and how much your kids really learn if you're doing things a little bit differently. We all have this vision of this beautiful, happy homeschooling environment, but kids are not happy sitting at the desk checking off boxes, doing workbook pages. I mean, maybe some of your kids are. I know that mine aren't. And we're homeschooling for them. We're not homeschooling for ourselves. We're not homeschooling so we can finish curriculum, so that we can say we've done this and we've done that, and we can say we've taught our kids this and we think they learned that. My goal this year is to give my kids a rich education by allowing their creativity to flow, letting them pick some of the topics that we study, diving into unit studies, and just doing lots more, but with a lot less structure and a lot less mundane tasks. So if that sounds interesting to you, I want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel now if you haven't already, and follow me on this homeschooling journey. Right now there's some big changes happening over this summer and this upcoming school year, but when this new school year does come, I'm going to be trying to show you guys beauty in our homeschool. My goal here on this channel is to take the challenge out of homeschooling for you by giving you guys fresh ideas and a new perspective on how to make your homeschooling more enjoyable for you. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if that sounds like something you'd be interested in. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.